This fascinating process shows the art of wood turning, where a beautiful wooden baluster is crafted with precision. The wood used here is often a hardwood, like teak or mahogany, chosen for its durability and smooth finish, making it ideal for intricate details. Wooden balusters like these are commonly seen in places that embrace classic or vintage decor. You'll find them enhancing the beauty of stair railings, adding elegance to bedposts, or providing a stylish touch to table legs. These small details bring a unique charm to any space, blending functionality with art